You can see from the code that we have defined several task parameters to model this task. For example, you can see the state is 5-dimensional. It contains the x position, y position, heading, and the linear and angular velocities of the agent. The action is 2-dimensional because the agent can control its linear and angular velocities. And the observation of the agent's movement is 2-dimensional because you can sense your linear and angular velocities through optical flow. And finally, the target position is 2-dimensional because the target has its x and y locations, and so on. For example, we also define the reward zone radius. That means, which is 65 centimeters. That means if you stop inside the circular reward zone, you'll be rewarded. Otherwise, you won't be rewarded. And we also define the range from which a target is sampled for each trial.